Actually, squares are rectangles. Squares are always a rectangle, but rectangle can be a square. Okay, how about, is it a rhombus? Yes. I told you square is a king, so since he's a king, so I'm gonna choose all the shapes except trapezoid. Square is not a trapezoid, so if you have a trapezoid here, you're gonna skip it. Now let's move on to the third page that we have. Which quadrilateral appears to have four right angles? Okay, here as you can see I don't have four right angles, or here I have four right angles. Let's mark it. How about here? Yes, I have four right angles. Do I have here four right angles? No. Do I have here four right angles? No. So which quadrilaterals? B and C. And as you can see, B and C are square and rectangle. Square and rectangle, they are the only quadrilaterals have four right angles. Now, which quadrilateral appears to have two pairs of opposite sides that are parallel? Okay, let's see. I have here parallel, but I have only one pair, so I can't choose it. Now here, let's see, I have one pair. Oh, and I have a second pair. Okay, here I have only one pair. And I have here, oh, I have here two pairs. And I have here two also pairs. So which quadrilateral has two pairs? So it's B, C, and D. Now, which quadrilateral appears to have no right angles? No right angles. It's easy. We already know which quadrilateral has right angles. And I have here also right angles, but I have only two. So which one have no right angles? It's D, E, and F. Now guys, write all or some to complete the sentence from 13 till 18. Okay. The opposite sides of what rectangles are parallel? The opposite sides are parallel in rectangle. All rectangles or some rectangles? All rectangles. All the opposite sides of all rectangles are parallel. Now, what sides of a rhombus are the same length? Okay, rhombus, the sides of it is same length. Are all or some? Some of the rhombus have all sides are equal, or all the rhombus has all sides are equal? All. Now, what squares are rectangles? I just said it. What squares are rectangles? All squares are rectangles. Now, what rhombus? I'm gonna say all or some rhombus are squares. All rhombus are squares? No. Some of it. Some rhombus are square. When? Okay, some of the rhombus has a right angle. So when the rhombus has four right angles, it can be a square. So, but not all the rhombus have as right angles. Actually, it's a special case. So some of the rhombus are squares, but not all of them. Now, quadrilaterals are polygon? Of course, we said it. All quadrilaterals are polygons. Now, what polygons are quadrilaterals? All polygons are quadrilaterals? No, we already have a pentagon, we have hexagon, octagon, so some polygons are quadrilateral. Now, circle the shape at the right that is not a quadrilateral and explain. Okay, as you can see here I have four sides, so it's a quadrilateral. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's a quadrilateral. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, Quadrilateral here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Quadrilateral now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, I have 5. So why this one is not a quadrilateral? Because guys, it's what? It has how many sides? 5 sides. And how many angles? And 5 angles. So who can tell me what is the name of this polygon? Which polygon has 5 sides and 5 angles? Of course, a 5 and 5 vertices. So it's what? Yes, a pentagon. So a pentagon has 5 sides, 5 angles, and 5 vertices. Now it's a riddle. I am a polygon that has 4 sides and 4 angles. Okay, so it's a quadrilateral. Okay, is it easy? Super easy, but let's complete it. At least one of my angles is less than a right angle. Less than a right angle, so I don't have 4 right angles, so I don't have a rectangle or a square. Why? Because rectangle and square has 4 right angles, and I have here one less than a right angle. Now circle all the shapes that I could be. Of course it can be a quadrilateral. Now, is it can be a rhombus? Yes. Can it be a trapezoid? Yes, it can be a trapezoid. So quadrilateral, rhombus, and trapezoid. Now let's move on to the last page and the last question also, number 21. Identify the quadrilaterals that can have 2 pairs of parallel sides and no right angles. Okay, so it can be a square. It can be a rhombus, or it can be a trapezoid, but it can be a trapezoid. Why? We said before that a trapezoid is a very poor shape. It only have 1 pair of parallel sides. So the shape is what? It's a rhombus. That's it, guys. I'm gonna miss you so much. So hope to see you soon, and don't be strangers. Let me hear from you every once in a while. Okay. Love you all. See you soon. Bye.